Hello and welcome back to Frananglo Bridge. In our last video, we enjoyed the bilingual fable, Why the Crab Has No Head. It was a great story, but it's also a powerful tool for learning. Today, we are going to dive back into that story to pull out 5 essential French verbs that every beginner needs to know. 5 simple French verbs from Why the Crab Has No Head. Pourquoi le crabe n'a pas de tête? If you want to learn French easily through storytelling, you are in the right place. Let's start. Repeat after me, and remember, don't worry about mistakes. We're here to learn together. Verb 1. Être. Our first verb is very important. Être. In English, this means to be. It is the foundation of many sentences. From our story, the crab was proud. In French, we use a form of être. Le crabe était fier. Repeat, être. 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 Remember, être equals to be. Verb 2. Avoir. The second verb is avoir. This means to have. We use this to talk about things we possess. From our story, the crab had no head. In French, this becomes Le crabe n'avait pas de tête. Repeat, avoir. 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 Great job. Verb 3. Aller. Verb number 3 is aller, which means to go. It's a verb used for movement and travel. In our fable, the crab went to the meeting. In French, we say, Le crabe est allé à la réunion. Repeat, aller. 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 Excellent. Verb number 4, dire. Our fourth verb is dire, meaning to say or to tell. In our story, the crab liked to talk. The crab said he was wise. In French, le crabe a dit qu'il était sage. Repeat, dire. 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 Finally, we have verb number 5, voir. This means to see. Use this whenever you are using your eyes. Remember this part? The animals saw the crab. In French, we say, les animaux ont vu le crabe. Repeat, voir. 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 Last one, let's make it clear. Let's do a quick recap of our 5 verbs. Être, to be, avoir, to have, aller, to go, dire, to say, and voir, to see. These 5 words will help you start building your own French sentences today. Thank you so much for learning with Frananglo Bridge today. If this video made French feel a little easier for you, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We post bilingual stories and simple lessons every week to help you master French and English. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Pick one of the 5 verbs we learned today and write a simple sentence with it in the comments below. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. Until next time, keep practicing, au revoir, and goodbye.